What if one day you looked in the mirror and didn't recognize your own face? Not because you changed, but because your skin did. This is the story of Emma, and what happened to her will shock you. Emma was just a regular college student in the United States. She had a normal life, friends, classes, social media. Everything was fine. Until one morning, she noticed something strange on her face. A small pimple. She ignored it, but that was her biggest mistake. Within days, that one pimple turned into many. Red spots, painful acne, and deep skin infections. Her face slowly started changing. Makeup couldn't hide it anymore. People started noticing. Whispers, stares, and even laughter. Emma stopped going out. She stopped posting pictures. She stopped being herself. But then, something changed. Emma made a decision. She said, "Enough is enough." The next day, she went to a professional skin clinic, not knowing this decision would change everything. The treatment started immediately. First, deep cleansing, removing all the dirt and bacteria. Then, careful extraction of infected pimples. It was painful, but necessary. After that, a soothing, healing mask was applied, cooling her skin, repairing the damage. Session after session, her skin started healing. Days later, Emma stood in front of the mirror again, but this time she smiled. Her skin looked clean, healthy, and glowing. It wasn't just her face that changed, it was her confidence, her happiness, her life. Today, Emma shares her journey to inspire others, because sometimes all it takes is one decision to change everything. If you believe in transformation, hit like and subscribe for more real stories like this, because your story could be. And here's something most people don't realize. Emma's journey wasn't just about fixing her skin, it was about rebuilding herself. There were days when she almost gave up, days when nothing seemed to work, and moments when she felt like hiding from the world forever. But she didn't quit. She kept going, one step at a time. And that's what made the real difference. Because real transformation doesn't happen overnight. It happens when you decide to keep moving forward, even when it's hard. Today, Emma looks back at her old photos not with pain, but with pride, because that version of her was strong enough to fight through it all. So, if you're watching this and going through something similar, just remember, your current situation is not your final story. You can change, you can heal, and you can become stronger than ever before. All it takes is one decision to not give